Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to change phone number on WhatsApp. To start this tutorial, open and locate your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once on WhatsApp, look for the gear icon on the bottom right, and that is Settings. Tap on it. Once you're here, you'll be led to Settings. Now go to Your Account. Tap on it this time. Once you're here, just look for the option that says Change Number. Tap on it again. In here, there will be some descriptions over at WhatsApp as to what will happen. Go ahead, take your time in reading it. Now once done reading, go ahead and click on Next. After tapping on Next, you will now input the details that are very important. Number 1, your old country code and your old phone number that you're using on WhatsApp. And then, type in here on the second bar, the new number that you're going to be using on WhatsApp. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel.